Shape your brows like a pro with our Defined and Refined kit. This kit comes with 2 full-size products, Precisely My Brow Pencil and Highbrow. It comes with a deluxe mini of Ready Set Brow and an exclusive brow mapping tool. Here's how to get these defined and refined brows. To begin, take Bravo Conditioning Primer. Now, the great thing about this product is that you can put it on morning and night, and it has keratin and soy protein in it, which will actually make your brow hair look healthier and fuller. You can also use it as a primer, which is what I'm going to do. You just need 1 click per brow, stroke it through the brows, and then leave it to dry before putting your product on, and it's going to enhance the product. The other thing you get in the Defined and Refined Brow Kit is a brow mapping tool. This is going to help you get symmetrical brows. Begin by putting the baseline of the brow mapping tool at the base of your nose and angle it straight up. And what you'll see is numbers from 1 to 6 along the tool, and this is what's going to give you that symmetry. So mark underneath the brow, that's number 1. And then mark on top of the brow, that's number 2. Once you've marked one brow, take the tool to the other side and mark those numbers again. Remember, the numbers will be different depending on your brow shape. By marking the same numbers, you're going to get symmetry. For the arch of the brow, hold the brow mapping tool in exactly the same place, then go straight through the center of the eye like so, and again mark the bottom and the top of the brow. Repeat on the other side. Finally, to find out where your brow should end, hold the tool in the same place at the base of the nose and go through the side of the eye like so, and then mark. Then you're literally going to join the dots with Precisely My Brow Pencil. Then using the pencil, do hair-like strokes throughout the brow to give you that defined finish. Next, use a spoolie on the end of the pencil and brush through the brows for a soft finish. Remove your brow mapping dots. And add an instant eye lift by drawing highbrow underneath the brow and blending. And that's how you get defined and refined eyebrows. And the great news is that this kit comes with a step-by-step guide, so if you need any extra help at home, it's all in there. And you can get the kit now.